Hi, welcome back. So we have created this very simple table, right? And if I just go to the browser, as you can see here, we are having this very simple table, but our table is missing a very important thing. We do not have any sort of heading to indicate what exactly are these columns. Okay, so in this video, we will do that. So here inside of the table element, so as you can see, we are having the th element as well. So I have opened the documentation for the th element. It is stands for the table header element. Okay. The th HTML element defines a cell as the header of a group of table cells and may be used as a child of tr element, which we will do in a moment. Okay. All right, so we will go to our code editor here, and for the first one, before all of these table rows, right, I will create another table row here. Okay, and inside of the table row, instead of creating a td element, I will create the th element. Okay, and here what I'll do, I will just add the particular heading for my particular column. So the first data cell basically indicates the name of the student. Okay, so student name. All right, hit save. And now if I just go to my browser, as you can see, we are having this particular heading. Okay, all right, then let's do the following. Once again, I will add another th element, and for the second basically column, it is for the mathematics marks, right? Okay, so let's do that. So mathematics, okay. The third one is for the science, okay. So th and okay. And the fourth one is the total marks. So th and let's do total marks. Okay, hit save. And as you can see, now our table has some headings. So this is the student name, then we are having the mathematics marks. Okay, then we are having the science marks, and then we are having the total marks. And as you can see by the borders, depending on the heading, our table is now adjusted, right? We are having some very big free spaces inside of the mathematics column basically, right? And depending on the heading, we are having some free space in each of the cells. Okay, all right. So this is how we can create the headings inside of our table, okay, in HTML. All right.